everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix CBQ mobile app not working. So if your application is not working, first of all make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. If you're already connected to a stable internet connection but still your application is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be because your application is not updated. In that case, you'll have to update the application. So what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply type in CBQ and search for it. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to find the application for CBQ mobile. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once your application is updated, your problem might be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed and your application is not working, in that case, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Find the option for storage and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. Find the option for app storage and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app storage interface. You'll be able to find the applications over here. What you have to do is find the application for CBQ mobile and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface of CBQ mobile. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Simply tap on the option clear cache and the cache of this application will be cleared. Now your application should start working now. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is try uninstalling the app and install it again. After that, your application will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be on your device. So in that case, you can simply restart your device. So what you have to do is long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted and your application will start working now. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix CBQ mobile app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.